Hey, what's up, guys? This is D'Artagnan here for episode number 3 of No Man's Sky. Today we are going to use a bypass chip. What are these things called anyways? They're called signal scanner. Okay. We're going to use this signal scanner to okay, we want to try to increase our get a new multi-tool. So we're going to go to outpost for this, I believe. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if we can get ourselves an outpost. Operations center. Okay. 14 minutes. Don't forget, still need 3 more animals on this place. Alright. We'll be there in no time. Just over the horizon, it looks like. Hope you guys enjoy this series so far. If there's anything I'm missing, please feel free to let me know. There we go. Here we are. This does not look like what we want, actually. I don't think. I think we actually really want an outpost, but we will see what this place is, though, just for the heck of it. Okay. Looking for any animals, just to make sure. Okay, no big deal. Oh, I know what this place is. This is a steel door. Yeah. So this place has a bunch of stuff inside that's really good, but you got to break into it. So, I know that you can get, like, you know, I kind of want to check this out over here. Still need the bird creatures that are on this planet. Iridium. I was just looking for some plutonium real quick since we're here. It looks kind of like a cave down there, but looks like we'll have no such luck. Alright, gotta charge that up real quick. Nice, nice. I grabbed the gold. Like I said, it's worth a lot, so. This is a cave, by the way. I was told they all look pretty much the same. And that actually has been my take on them as well. Should probably try to get out of here, I guess. There ain't no mountain high enough. Okay. We're gonna have to wait till we have full. That was pretty nice. Okay, so let's go over here and actually discover the outpost, or whatever this thing is, operations center. And then we'll hit up the other scanner. Okay, bypass chip. Can't make it. I need iron. Okay. Well, how about that? And then we'll try to search on their outpost center. Put that in the ship. Bypass chip. Okay, and we're gonna do outposts again and hope that we actually get one this time. All right. Amazing. I wonder if I do it again, if they'll give me the same one or not. Just, I've read things where it doesn't, read things where it does. Let's just see what happens here. Manufacturing facility. We're gonna go check out that manufacturing facility real quick. Can I please just get my ship now? Please. Thank you. Okay. not really much of a facility, I'd say. Oh. Just looking for any signs of life real quick. Oh, there we go. If I'm not mistaken, there's another place where you have to use grenades or something to blow up those canisters to actually get the stuff out. So this is a manufacturing facility. And eventually you can get grenades. Oh wait, birds? Yes, okay. Okay, birds are really hard to get to. Unfortunately, you have to kill them. Well, these ones anyways. And there he is right there. And now you can scan him. Okay, that's 8 out of 10 animals. What was I doing here again? I was... Oh, look at this. Come on. Hello. Okay, literally. There we go. Okay, he was a member of another species, so did not do any good. Oh, we got some something over here. Don't see him yet. Oh wow, look at that. Passive grazing creatures. Cool. Okay, now mind you, I still have one species left. So I'll just be doing this, you know, for a little bit now. I did have a planet one time that did have 2 different types of flying creatures, so that was kind of cool. This is something you might want to think about. Yeah. Life support power always. Okay. Oh, look at this. Then I landed in plutonium heaven. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's go ahead and fill this guy up since we got a bunch now. Okay, we'll go ahead and fill up our life support and our mining tool. We should probably get rid of it. Okay, we'll take you Okay. Iron. Gonna get rid of this guy. Carbon, gold. Okay. Okay, there was something I was looking at when I came over here. I thought, anyways. So many animals distracted me. Alright, let's grab this thing over here, beacon, real quick. Alright. And what is this building? Can I get into it? No. Yeah, okay. So once again, I would need grenades or something to break in here. Oh, are they mad at me for doing that? Yeah, okay. We'll just leave this place alone. No big deal. Oh wow, here we go. What are these? Okay. There was an orange thing here, yes? Thought for... there it is. No? Huh. Thought for sure there was a beacon, or a scanner. Oh, that's no big deal. Let's go ahead and jump back in here. And we'll go back to the one we... I thought we came from one, actually. Like, right. Okay, well now we're looking for a scanner. You know, if I didn't know any better, that looks like gold right there. Still looking for that last creature here. Don't forget. Just getting aluminum for a little bit extra cash when we go to the space station. Okay, I don't know what just happened there. I hate it. I don't know if there's a way that you hold the button in a certain way. I don't know, but that I hate that. Okay, interesting. Okay. So things I could be looking for now, drop pods would be okay. Definitely looking for the scanner, a scanner light, so I can look for another outpost. I do apologize that this is taking so long. I thought for sure we would have found one by now. I also apologize because I never started my clock, so I have no idea how long I've been babbling on for. I'm trying to make these videos a little shorter because I know that it kind of gets a little boring, I'm sure. And it's easy to get sidetracked, in case you couldn't tell. It's like you'll have a mission in mind, you're like, I'm going to do this today. And the next thing you know, you're like, what happened? Normally if you go to a green question mark, they'll almost always have a scanner there. This one does have one. Yeah, alright, cool. So we'll just drop down here real quick. Maybe I'm wrong. I might be wrong with the whole outpost thing. Maybe I'm just not getting the right thing or something. That could be a possibility. Let's see here. Monolith, for sure it's no. Transmission, no. Colonial outpost, no. Maybe it's a shelter. Let's try one more outpost. I'm pretty sure it's outpost. Operations Center. Man. Oh, we're gonna find ourselves one. Okay. The Operations Center. Manufacturing facility. Well, my last one I'm going to waste on a transmission. I mean a shelter. See if I get a drop. Drop pod, okay. Okay. Don't forget, this is all good stuff. Regardless, I'm still in the hunt for my last elusive animal. So, once that is done, then I can pretty much leave and do whatever I want after that. I just want to... We're so close. I mean, there's no reason to... Except for the drop pod. Okay. This one should be, what, 30? 20? Yeah, only 20, okay. Okay, that's all taken care of. What is this over here? Man, aluminum is just... How you? Really just not a fan of those guys. You know what I mean? They're so rude. Kind of wish when you did the scanning thing there was maybe like 3 colors. I don't know. Another color that would let you know that there's hostiles around, you know, something like that. My other game, the first board I was on was really green and lush, and it was funny because these guys, get out of here. It was funny because there was no creatures that attacked. Out of the 10 that I ended up locating, 0 actually were violent in any way. We're gonna head over to this operations center real quick here. Yeah. Alrighty. Okay, there's that one. No beacon. That could be there. We got that one over there. Let's go ahead and grab my ship, I guess. Sometimes things start off looking closer than they really are, I guess you could say. That's not what I want. Okay. Technology. Okay. Well, I came here because there's one of these guys, but do I really want to try my luck again? Let's see. Haha, man. Cannot catch a break on those, I guess. Where am I at here? You know, I might just actually just free fall out into nothing. No, I'm kidding. I might just search the planet myself, not even do any more. Not do any more looking for stuff. It just seems to be a pain, and I'm not getting what I want. It's kind of annoying, so I'll just kind of do my own thing. Oh, let's see what we could find here. I mean, it's not a lot of gold, but
No free stocks in ship inventory.
We're just going to use that right now. Power canister. Alright, let's go ahead and... What is do? I'll turn this light off. Whoops. There we go. I guess we should add these since... Believe it or not, this building I think actually is what we're looking for the whole time. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay. So weird. Alright, let's see what this guy's got to say. Friends despair. Oxide of some kind, okay. Okay, common oxide. Let's go out here and oh, come on, you're killing right now.
No free slots in ship inventory.
Alright, we're going to try to give him this iron oxide and see what he says about it. He could be saying that he hates oxides. Okay, cool, cool. An offering of some kind. More technology. Okay, excellent. It's weird because oh, you know what? This is pretty amazing right there. We're going to go to space real quick. Kind of had it with this place. If I'm not mistaken, there was another one of these places right here. Or is that a tower? Really just want to get that last creature from this planet. This could be it.
Units received.
What? Oh. Ooh. Give me my language. Give me my word. I deserved it. Okay, let's see what we got here. Help with language. Alrighty. Beware. Well, that was close. Okay. Just looking for that sweet spot. Just trying to find that last red dot. Alrighty. Thank you. Abomination. Gonna need some more plutonium. Oh, don't tell me. Okay, good. Let's see what we got over here. I don't care about that place. Oh man, I can't believe we cannot find this last creature. It's crazy. I do like this planet though. I've been on obviously a few. This one's a pretty decent one. So let's see the technology I've gotten so far on this. Let's see here. We got quite a bit for the starship. Multi-tool I can't even look at, but I'm sure we got quite a bit.
Inventory full.
Yep. Oh wait, I get everything out of there. Whatever. Okay. Alright, well, you know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and cut this episode off right here. I am going to continue to look for that last creature. Obviously, you know that's my mission, okay? If I get the last creature, then we get 200... Oh, excuse me. 250,000 units. Which, that's quite a bit. So... Once again, thanks for watching, D'Artagnan. I know this probably was a little bit more of a boring episode, but, you know, hey, you can play any way you want. You can go after wherever you want, you can find whatever you want, you can do whatever you want. This is just my personal playstyle, so, you know, get out there and make it happen, okay? And I will see you next episode. Alright, take it easy. Bye.